pop a scroll of speed here in a second. When we do, we're all gonna run into the Alliance Keep. We're all gonna run into the Alliance Keep. Do not get caught out when we do this. Okay, we're doing it now. Everybody go. Run, run, run. Someone pop it. Get in the Alliance base. When you get into the Alliance base, take a left, go to the back, go up the stairs. We're all gonna go up to the top level. We're gonna go towards that little window that overlooks the graveyard. Just gonna kind of wait until some of them fill a whole bunch here. Wait up. Everybody should be together. Nobody should be down there getting wailed on. Okay, everybody jump down now. Jump down now. Out of the castle. Out of the castle. Push around.
Push
into the Alliance and blow them up. Blow them up on your way up. This is my new thing, man. Like the castle reach around.
That's a good idea. I like it.
That is so evil.
I like it.
It's a royal reach around. This is a castle.
I'm seriously stuck in the castle. I can't get out with the artifact.
Oh, brother. Come back down.
You gotta get out. Let's go, everybody out.
Love being a rogue. This is so mean. That was fucking
Treatment.
Like that maneuver title.
That was kind of funny.
The royal reach around.